I'm very very thankful. Thank you Ramesh sir for calling me here. Flipkart ने हमेशा जब भी कोई कदम उठाया है वो सबसे पहले उठाया है. कुछ नया करने की कोशिश करते हैं, कुछ करेजियस करने की कोशिश करते हैं. जो हम लाइव कॉमर्स का ट्रेंड कई और देशों में देखते हैं वो हमारे यहाँ आप लेके आ रहे हैं. बहुत ही अच्छा है क्योंकि ग्लैमर आई थिंक सिर्फ एक्टर्स तक सीमित नहीं होना चाहिए. मेरे हिसाब से जितना भी काम मैंने किया है मैंने नोटिस किया है कि मैं तभी सबसे ज़्यादा ग्लैमरस फील करती थी जब मैं कंफर्टेबल हुआ करती थी. और दैट रियली पुश्ड मी टूवर्ड्स फाइंडिंग ब्यूटी सॉल्यूशंस, फाइंडिंग glamour solutions which actually made me feel connected, comfortable and just made me feel more of myself. So what Flipkart has come here with is extremely revolutionary क्योंकि ना ही वो लाइव कॉमर्स के 100 आवर्स लोगों को दिखाने वाले हैं. Am I right, sir? 100 hours of
Just keeps growing.
it just keeps growing, right?
Yeah.
And also they've launched something really interesting which is called content creatorhood, which I think is again something that is going to make Flipkart really self-reliant and independent because they are channeling their power to actually work with the creators to help creators do what they love the most, which is create content, but in a way that they can actually make commercial use out of it. And this wonderful collab that they are doing with creators is so symbiotically beautiful क्योंकि वो creators की मदद करता है क्योंकि वो अपने काम और अपने passion को commercialize कर सकते हैं और Flipkart को create कर सकता है बहुत ही talented, original और authentic influencers के साथ. So yeah, it's a win-win that they've come up with an idea that's an absolute win-win. एंड आई एम सो एक्साइटेड कि उन्होंने मुझे चुना आज ये बात आप तक पहुंचाने के लिए बिकॉज आई थिंक समवेयर मैं भी लोगों के साथ सीख ही रही हूँ. मुझे भी एक्चुअली टू बी ऑनेस्ट इसके पहले आई डिडंट नो व्हाट इज़ लाइक लाइव कंटेंट क्रिएशन, व्हाट इज़ दैट एंटायर फॉर्मेट. बट जैसे कि ऑडियंसेस भी नॉलेज पा रही हैं ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म्स के द्वारा, इवन एक्टर्स आर लर्निंग एवरी सिंगल डे. ऐसा नहीं है हमें सब कुछ आता है, हम भी सीख रहे हैं. एंड इनफैक्ट ये सीखना और वक्त को अपनाना, हर वक्त कुछ नया आता है और हमें उसे अपनाना पड़ता है. आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट इज़ द फन एंड इट्स ऑल्सो वेरी स्टिम्युलेटिंग. यू फील excited every morning to do something. So thank you Ramesh sir for always being the first person into it and creating such
Thanks
amazing.
for being here. Thanks for being here. We would love to have you do a live stream on Flipkart.
I would love to do
We'll figure
that.
out how to make it happen.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. हाँ जी.
ग्लैमरस तमन्ना जी को आपने लाइक यहाँ पर बुलाया, इनका ग्लैमर हमने बाहर देखा. तमन्ना जी वन सेकंड इनकी पॉपुलरिटी आपने कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आपके शब्दों से?
No, I think
माइक के पास आप
one is we are very happy to have you here. I think you bring a lot of energy to the and inspiration to the crowd. I think you are very pretty, very beautiful. I think in the entire India deserves to be beautiful.
Yeah.
I think we're providing a platform for all the content creators to actually share their experiences with the entire world, and people can actually pick up these products that work for them. So we are very happy to have you on board.
Thank you. Thank you.
मैम आप काफ़ी लोगों को इंस्पायर करते हो, आपको कौन इंस्पायर करते है सबसे ज़्यादा?
आई थिंक मैं एक ऐसे दौर में हूँ अपने लाइफ के कि आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू फाइंड वेज ऑफ एक्सप्रेसिंग माई ट्रू वॉइस बिकॉज आई थिंक वो ही कहना सबसे मुश्किल होता है और वो ही एक्चुअली लोगों तक पहुँचता है. सो आई एम ऑल्सो इन दैट जर्नी वेयर I think I've really looked more inward for inspiration and I'm really enjoying that.
Tamanna, what do you have to
This
say
is the last question.
about this
Ji.
whole influencer culture, which is going on all across the world right now?
Yeah,
And this event itself is the biggest witness to that.
yeah.
And a lot of actors have taken a stand at Cannes also about how influencers are walking together with actors.
You know what I love, what I truly love is I am an actor. That is my first entry into being a public figure. But what I love about the times that we are in today is that it is democratizing the ability to be an influencer, the ability to be a celebrity. Today it's not, I mean, I didn't have any background, but I made my way up and became an actor, reached people's hearts. But for people who don't want to be actors, who are not largely performers actors, they also today can be celebrities, influencers, can put their voice across to people, which actually helps people. So I love the fact that we are democratizing it, and actually I don't feel competitive around it. I actually feel like, what is the point of it all if there is no community building? This time and age is actually giving us a chance as human beings to create communities, and it's our responsibility as an actor, as a film personality, to actually support that, because it brings a lot of livelihood to a lot of people, and I think a lot of people deserve that, and this is a great opportunity to do that.
Thank you so
Very
much.
good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Tamanna, who is your fashion icon?
Who's my fashion icon?
Last question, please.
Last.
I don't have a fashion icon at the moment. I don't have a fashion icon at the moment. So